Mr. Noah, 你很醉啊。
我知道。
Hey, I would like you to do me a favor.
What's that?
Hee-haw! Look at this, man. It looks like a goddamn Ponderosa. Hey, my man, if I'd known I was coming to the top of the goddamn mountain, I brought my four-wheel drive, not my Porsche.
Shut the fuck up. Shut up.
Okay, hey, you know you got a helicopter in your back.
Shut up.
That's our guy.
Keep your mouth shut when you get inside. You understand? Out. Let's go.
This is my man, Jason.
I told you to shut the fuck up. Will you
Okay,
shut?
baby.
Don't fucking touch me either. Move it. Shut up and get in. Let's go. Michael, get rid of this car.
Money's no object. Any problems?
No. No problems.
谢谢。
Booyah, Come on in. So he's a new guy?
He's a new guy.
How you doing?
Hey, Maker. There's an ATF helicopter right above us. You still want us to do it?
Think I give a damn about a helicopter? Handle your business. Take them out now.
Mr. Noah, I got your package for you. Okay. This must be something very, very important.
All right, shots fired! Shots fired! All units, hold range! Headquarters!
Yeah.
I'm under heavy gunfire from around the cabin. Request permission to return fire! Don't fire!
Come on, let's go. Okay, we got a window. Let's go.
No, wait. We'll use the smoke as cover.
Follow me.
Where's this guy from? Come on.
to get off this road. We're gonna head into the woods. I think we've lost him.
Yeah, that's good.
I hear it, but I don't see it.
Cops.
What are you gonna do?
Shove this in the gas tank.
What?
Stick it in the gas tank. Do what he says. Stick it in the gas tank.
You're crazy.
Now light it.
What?
Light it!
Do what he says.
It's lit!